Doing. Hi guys, today we are making a video, and today's video is making a gingerbread house. And I'm liking it, and it says right here, create a treat, but it says somewhere it's new. I don't know where it says it's new. It's new right here. New tastier gingerbread recipe. Okay, so let's get started. Well, the red open one, but now I taste it. But Aaron is still gonna do it. Not that one first. Okay, I can use it. That one's the rooftop. Mommy, it's not working. It's coming out through here, Mommy. Really? Thank you. Sometimes squeezing the cream might be a little too hard. Let's just see how it goes.
What you doing?
What? Like, but you're supposed to make a gingerbread house, not taste it. I can't taste it if I want. Okay. I think I did the wrong size. I think I'm supposed to do here. The paper box. There. Now do my other one. Coming out. What?
You should be putting in the cookie.
No, but it's coming out this way. Well, then you put it through that way. It's getting a little too much. Mommy, I think you have to do it. Why you said Mommy's doing a little more than me. Maybe Mommy should do mine. Mommy. Maybe I think you're doing a mistake. So much. Not gonna fit. Too strong, Mommy. Trying to put it in. Mommy, I think I need some help with this.